In this lesson of linear inequalities in one variable of exercise number 1.2, we will solve questions 6, 7, 8 and 9. So question 6 is x plus 5 is less than 2. So this is inequality sign, right? So what we have to do, x is less than 2 will remain the same on right hand side, but we have to take the transpose of this positive 5, which will be negative 5 here. So x is less than negative 3 and this is our answer. So see, as I have told you that in inequalities we have many solutions. So what is the meaning of this sentence, infinite solution and many solution, x is less than minus 3? So negative 3, the x is less than negative 3, so the solution set will be negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7 and so on up to infinity. If we will put any of this number from this solution set in the original question, this is the question, and suppose we put negative 4 instead of this x, so see, negative 4 positive 5 is less than 2. The question will be like this. So negative 4 plus 1, which is 1, is less than 2. So this is true. This side is less than 2. Again, if you want, you can try with negative 6 or negative 10, whatever. Right? Negative 6 plus 5, so it will be negative 1. Then negative 1 will be less than 2. But this is not part of the question. Your question is complete here. This is our answer. But if you want to check the inequality, so you can put negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, whatever you want, you can try. Always you will find out that right hand side will be less than right hand, left hand side will be less than right hand side. One more question, this is x negative 3 is greater than equal to. So see, this represents greater than and equal to negative 4. So what we have to do is start with this x, we will take the transpose of this constant, so this sign will remains the same, negative 4 will remains the same, but we have to take this negative 3 to the right hand side, it will be positive 3. So x is greater than equal to negative 1. Right? Greater than and less than negative 1. So this is our answer. Question number 8 is also very simple. 2x, again you have to write down 2x is less than equal to 8. So here you have to divide both sides with 2 because we want only x on the left hand side. So this 2 will cancel, 2 1 time, 2 4 times 8. So x is less than equal to 4. So if someone asks you, okay, what is the solution set? So the solution set will start from 4 because it is less than and equal to as well. So 4 and then 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2 or so on. So the solution set, in case of inequality, we have many solutions. Either one you can try in this original. This is our original question. So see, I will show you. If it is less than or equal to 8, it means we have to start whatever is the answer because it is equal to as well. When we put this 4, see, both sides will be equal because it is equal to 4 2 times 8 is equal to 8. This is true, right? Because this is equal to. It means, this question means that 2x is less than 8 and 2x is equal to 8 as well. Lesser than and equal to. So now if we put 3 instead of this x, so 2 into 3 less than 8. 3 2 times 6 is less than or equal to 8. So this is also true, right? If it is less than, you have to start from 3 from here, but if it is less than or equal to, we have to use this number as well, 4 3 2 1 and so on. If we put 4, both sides will be equal, but for the rest of the numbers, always you can check that left hand side should be less than and equal to less than whatever is here. One more question, 3x is greater than 5. So again I have to write down question one more time in order to make it easy. So this is positive number, no sign means positive, so you have to divide both sides with 3. So it will be x is greater than 5 over 3. This is the important point. Why I didn't switch this sign? Because this is positive. If we divide or multiply both sides with a negative number, then you have to switch this sign, but here is positive, so this is our answer. I hope these 4 questions are clear to you, but if still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.